Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi friends, I'm Bunie. Today we'll fix a super common mistake, 2 versus 4.
After this lesson, you'll choose the right one fast, without thinking too much. Booney, quick question. Did you go anywhere this morning?
Yeah, I went to a cafe to get coffee.
Nice. And who was the coffee for?
It was for me, and one for you in my imagination.
Perfect. You just use both words naturally. If you want more easy English conversations, like and subscribe.
And comment, where are you watching from?
Also write one sentence using 2 or 4. We'll check it. Quick test. Which is correct? I went to the store for buy milk, or I went to the store to buy milk.
The correct one is to buy.
If you stay with us, you'll learn a simple rule that fixes 80% of mistakes.
Step 1. The core rule. 2 points. 4 supports.
Okay, step 1. Here's the big picture. 2 usually points to a destination or target.
And 4 usually shows benefit, reason, purpose as a noun or thing, or time.
Think of it like arrows. 2 equals arrow towards something.
4 equals support, for someone, for a reason, for a time.
Let's do simple examples first. I'm going to the office.
This coffee is for you.
Send it to me.
I bought it for you.
Notice something? 2 often follows verbs like go, come, send, give, talk, speak.
4 often follows ideas like a gift, a reason, a goal, a time.
Let's lock it in with a mini pattern. Repeat after us. I'm going to a place.
I'm doing it for a reason.
I'm going to a place for a reason.
Here's another. I'm talking to a person.
I'm doing it for my future. Good. Now we'll build your speed. Quick drill. Destination. I'm going blank school.
2.
Benefit. This is blank you.
4.
Time. I studied blank 2 hours.
4.
Target. Give it blank me.
2.
Great. Step 1 is your foundation.
If you remember only one line, remember this. 2 equals where, who it goes to. 4 equals who benefits, why, how long.
Step 2. 2 for destination plus direction plus target.
Step 2. 2 is for movement and direction.
The easiest question is, where? If the answer is a place, you usually use to.
Examples. I'm going to work. She went to the mall. We're traveling to Korea. Come to my house.
Also, direction. Turn to the left. Look to the right. Walk to the end of the street.
And target. Talk to your teacher. Reply to this email. Listen to me.
Many learners say, I go for school.
That's not correct in normal English. Right, we say, I go to school. Go for is used differently, like go for a walk, go for coffee.
That's not a destination focus. It's an activity focus. We'll practice that soon.
Mini practice. Repeat. I'm going to the supermarket.
I'm going to the bank.
I'm going to the library.
I'm going to the gym.
Now your turn. I'll ask, you answer with 2. Where are you going after this video?
I'm going to the kitchen.
Nice. Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Canada.
Perfect.
Quick note, in American English, we often say home without to. I'm going home, not to home.
Right. Also, go downtown, go upstairs. But the main rule is still true. 2 equals destination/direction. Speed drill. Choose the right one. I'm going blank my friend's house.
2.
He walked blank the door.
2.
Please explain it, blank, me.
2,
She listened, blank, music.
2.
Great. If it points to a place or target, choose 2.
Step 3. To plus verb for purpose.
Step 3 is a game changer. To plus verb shows purpose.
The structure is simple. To plus base verb, to buy, to learn, to meet, to help.
Examples. I went to the store to buy milk. I'm here to learn English. She called to ask a question. We woke up early to catch the train.
This is the most common mistake. For buy is wrong.
Yes, don't say, I went there for buy milk. Say, I went there to buy milk.
Now, sometimes for plus ing is possible, like for buying, but to buy is cleaner and more natural for purpose.
Let's practice with real situations. Scene 1, morning routine.
Why did you wake up early?
I woke up early to exercise.
Why did you open your laptop?
I opened my laptop to check my email.
Scene 2, shopping. Why did you go to the mall?
I went to the mall to buy shoes.
Why did you go to the pharmacy?
I went there to get medicine.
Great. Now let's do a fast drill. Repeat after us. I'm studying to improve my speaking.
I'm practicing to sound more natural.
I'm watching this video to learn to and for.
I'm repeating out loud to train my mouth.
Nice. Now I'll give you half a sentence. You finish it. I went to the cafe to...
To get coffee.
I called my friend to...
To say hello.
I opened YouTube to...
To watch Mr. K English channel. Perfect answer.
Here's the key idea. If the next word is a verb, your safest choice is usually to. Step 4. For benefit, receiver, reason, and duration.
Step 4. For does 4 big jobs. Benefit/receiver, reason, function, duration. Benefit/receiver.
Examples. This gift is for you. I made dinner for my family. I bought a ticket for Bunie. Can you do this for me?
Think. Who benefits? Who receives the benefit? That's for. Reason, noun idea.
Examples. Thank you for your help. Thanks for coming. Sorry for the mistake. I'm doing this for my future.
Notice thanks for is super common. Don't say thanks to coming.
Right, it's thanks for coming.
Function, what something is used for.
Examples. This button is for saving. This room is for meetings. This tool is for emergencies. This app is great for learning English.
That last one is very useful for your comments. This video is great for learning. Duration, how long?
Examples. I waited for 20 minutes. I studied for 2 hours. She lived there for 5 years. We talked for a long time.
This is clean. Duration equals for, always.
Okay, let's combine them with many conversations.
Many conversation A. Benefit.
Who is this coffee for?
It's for you.
Aw, thanks.
Many conversation B. Reason.
Why are you smiling?
I'm smiling for one reason. This lesson is working. Many conversation C. Duration.
How long did you practice today?
I practiced for 5 minutes.
Perfect. 5 minutes daily is enough to build a habit.
Quick fix game. Correct it. I waited to 30 minutes.
Wrong. It should be, I waited for 30 minutes.
Thanks to helping me.
Wrong. It should be, thanks for helping me.
This gift is to you.
Better. This gift is for you.
Great. Step 4 gives you power.
Step 5, the most confusing part. To versus for with people.
Step 5 is the final boss, because sometimes both sound possible, but the meaning changes.
Here's the simple idea. To equals the recipient of an action. Give, send, show, tell, lend, offer.
For equals the benefit or the intended receiver of a thing. Buy, make, cook, build, choose, get. A. With to, with giving/sending verbs. Look at these verbs. Give, send, show, tell, lend, offer. We often use to with the person. Give it to me. Send it to her. Show it to us. Tell it to him. Lend it to your friend. Offer it to them.
Because the action is moving toward a person. B. For with buy, make, do something as a gift or benefit.
Now these verbs. Buy, make, cook, build, choose, get. We often use for because it's for someone's benefit. I bought it for you. I made this for you. I cooked dinner for my family. I chose this for you. I got this for you.
Notice the thing is meant to help you or make you happy. Compare pairs. Super important.
Pair 1. I sent a message to my boss. Recipient.
I made a presentation for my boss. Benefit or use.
Pair 2. I gave the gift to Bunie. Action.
I bought the gift for Bunie. Purpose. Benefit.
Pair 3. I explained it to her.
I did it for her.
Now we'll do a real-life roleplay to lock it in. Roleplay. Kay helps Bunie with a new job. Bunie, congrats on your new job.
Thank you. I'm excited, but I'm nervous too.
Don't worry, I'm here to help.
Thanks for helping me.
First, I want to send a few tips to you.
Please do. Send them to me now.
Okay, tip 1. Prepare a simple introduction. You can say, "Hi, I'm Bunie. Nice to meet you."
I'm practicing to sound confident.
Great. Tip 2. Ask easy questions. Ask questions to your coworkers like, "How was your weekend?"
That's good for starting conversations.
Exactly. I also made a short checklist for you.
You made it for me? That's so sweet.
Yeah, and I'll give it to you after this.
Perfect.
Also, I bought a notebook for you.
Wow, what is it for?
It's for writing new words and phrases.
Nice. I'll use it to review every day.
And don't stress. You will get better if you practice for just 5 minutes a day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes is enough to build consistency.
Okay, I can do that. I'll study to improve my speaking, and I'll do it for my future.
Perfect English. Final speed test. Choose fast. Ready? Answer 2 or 4. I'm going, the bank.
2.
I'm studying, pass my exam.
To pass.
This present is you.
4.
I waited 15 minutes.
4.
Send the file, me.
2.
I made this plan, you.
4.
If you got these right, you're doing great.
Quick recap. To equals destination, target, plus to plus verb for purpose. For equals benefit, receiver, reason, function, plus duration.
Remember this sentence. I'm going to a place to do a thing for someone. Comment one sentence using both to and for.
Example, I'm going to the supermarket to buy fruit for my family.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time on Mr. K English Channel. Bye!